Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best reusable cotton pads is probably one of the most eco-friendly swaps you can make in your beauty routine. Ditching disposable cotton pads not only reduces waste but also saves you money in the long run. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of reusable cotton pads, exploring their benefits, how to choose the right ones, and how to care for them, so you can make an informed decision and contribute to a greener lifestyle. Number 5. Reusable Makeup Remover Pads. Want to feel fresh and clean in seconds? These super fluffy and soft pads are great for cleaning pores and applying toner. They make removing mascara, eyeshadow, and lipstick a breeze. This set includes scrub pads for waterproof products and soft pads for sensitive areas like the eyes. They are designed to be gentle on your skin while effectively removing makeup. These reusable pads replace thousands of disposable makeup wipes. With the included laundry bag, you can easily wash them and reduce waste. Lightweight and portable, this set is perfect for travel. It's also an ideal gift for makeup lovers and eco-friendly individuals. We are committed to providing the best product and service. If you're not happy with them for any reason, we offer a full refund. What we like? This set offers different textures for various needs. It includes scrub pads for waterproof makeup and soft pads for sensitive areas. If you have different makeup removal needs or travel frequently, you should consider these pads. What people say. These work great. I have already saved so much money on cotton rounds by using these. They are very durable, easy to wash, and are reusable almost forever. Made from high-quality, durable materials, these pads can be washed and reused countless times, eliminating the need for disposable cotton pads or wipes. Whether it's waterproof mascara, long-wear foundation, or stubborn lipstick, these pads tackle everything with just a few gentle swipes. Number 4. ProCIV Reusable Makeup Remover Pads. Introducing the ProCIV Reusable Makeup Remover Pads. These pads are designed to be gentle on your skin while being environmentally friendly. They are perfect for anyone looking for an effective and sustainable way to remove makeup. These pads are made from ultra-soft natural bamboo and organic cotton. The materials are gentle enough for most skin types, including sensitive and baby skin. You'll love how soft they feel on your face. These reusable pads are a great way to reduce waste and save money. You can say goodbye to disposable wipes and paper towels. It's equivalent to thousands of disposable pads, making it a great choice for the environment. The double-layer design makes them soft and absorbent, preventing slipping and dragging. They come with a handy mesh laundry bag for easy washing. You can use both sides for a deep cleanse. These palm-sized pads are portable and easy to use. You can take them with you anywhere to clean your skin at any time. They make the perfect gift for makeup lovers and eco-conscious individuals. If you have any issues, please contact us. We will offer a satisfactory solution within 6 hours. We are committed to providing excellent customer service. What we like? These pads are made of ultra-soft bamboo and organic cotton. The double-layer design prevents slipping and ensures effective cleansing. If you are looking for gentle yet effective makeup removal, you should choose these. What people say. They are soft and not too thin. The colors are also pretty cute. I use them paired with makeup remover for my mascara. They are a little bit bigger than a regular cotton pad, and I was hoping they'd be the same size, but I actually really like them like this. Number 3. Chloven 30-pack Reusable Makeup Remover Pads. These pads are designed to replace disposable cotton rounds. They are eco-friendly and washable, saving you money and reducing waste. You'll love how easy it is to remove your makeup. The set includes 3 different types of pads: bamboo terry scrub, soft cotton organic, and bamboo charcoal. The scrub pads are perfect for exfoliation, while the soft cotton pads are great for the eyes. These pads are all you need. These charcoal bamboo pads are a sustainable alternative to disposable pads. One pad can be used over 1,000 times. The packaging is also recyclable, minimizing environmental impact. Use these pads with your favorite cleanser or toner. Wet the pad with warm water and gently remove your makeup in a circular motion. It will leave your face clean, soft, and fresh. The pads are stitched together to prevent slipping and dragging. They come with a mesh laundry bag for easy washing. They are durable and won't shrink or fluff in the dryer. This lightweight and portable set is perfect for travel. Take it with you in your travel bag or gym bag. It makes a great gift for makeup lovers and eco-friendly enthusiasts. What we like. This set includes 3 types of pads for different uses. These pads are designed to prevent slipping and are easy to wash. If you like having options and want a reliable, eco-friendly solution, you should consider this one. What people say. They are perfect for toners, and so easy to use. The gray won't stain from mascara. They wash super easily and help reduce waste. They have held up well in the wash so far. The size is more than large enough to apply my toner and other products. Number 2. Organic reusable makeup remover pads with laundry bag. Are you looking for an alternative? These reusable pads are a great choice. They remove 100% of your makeup and can be washed and reused, saving you money and reducing waste. These pads are gentle enough for all skin types. Just wet them with makeup remover and use a circular motion. Your face will feel clean, soft, and smooth immediately after use. Replace your wasteful makeup wipes with these pads. They can be washed and reused hundreds of times, saving money and reducing landfill waste. They replace thousands of disposable cotton balls. The package includes 20 organic bamboo makeup remover pads and a cotton laundry bag. This set is perfect for your daily skincare routine, and it's a better reusable option than disposable pads. This lightweight and portable set is perfect for travel. Take it with you in your travel bag or gym bag for effective makeup removal on the go. It also makes a great gift for any makeup lover. What we like. These pads are suitable for all skin types and are a great alternative to disposable pads. They are also travel-friendly, making them convenient for on-the-go use. If you are looking for a simple, eco-friendly solution for daily use, you should consider these. What people say. I really like the texture. It's like a mini washcloth to remove my makeup. It's the perfect travel size. They dry out enough to put back into my bag without getting everything else wet. They work great and are easy to clean. These bamboo makeup pads are fantastic and I appreciate the sustainability. They're soft, durable, and easy to clean and reuse. The little drawstring laundry bag for the used pads is very helpful. Number 1. PAULA'S Choice Reusable Makeup Remover Pads. Tired of disposable pads? These reusable pads from PAULA'S Choice are the perfect solution. They are designed to gently remove makeup and cleanse your skin effectively. Made from a blend of cotton and bamboo, it's an eco-friendly choice. You can feel good about reducing waste while taking care of your skin. These pads aren't just for makeup. You can use them with your favorite toners and exfoliants. It helps to enhance your skincare routine. Included is a washable bag for laundry and storage. Simply toss them in the bag after use, wash, and they're ready to go again. Each set comes with 10 pads, giving you plenty for daily use. It's a convenient and sustainable way to care for your skin. What we like. These pads are designed to be eco-friendly and gentle on the skin. They come with a washable bag for easy cleaning and storage. If you are looking for a simple, eco-friendly solution for daily use, you should consider these. What people say. Soft and non-irritating. They are washable. They come in a washable bag, but I find that using a larger bag helps them wash better. These are the perfect size, texture, and quality. I am blown away by the softness and feel of them on skin. They're lovely looking, easy to use and reuse, and eco-friendly. Great value with the added laundry bag. The zipper on this one removes that problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.